guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today we're gonna make an old-fashioned vanilla pound cake. So let's get started, okay? I got a host on the show today. You wanna say your name?
Camille.
Camille, where are you from?
Brinkley, Arkansas.
Brinkley, Arkansas. Okay, so let's get started. Here's the sugar. How many cups of sugar we're gonna put in there? 3 cups. Okay, so I'll let you use that cup. Go ahead and put your 3 cups in there. Okay. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Got 3 cups of sugar, a pound of butter. That's 4 sticks. Make a pound of butter. There we go. We're gonna use these in the stove for the eggs this morning. And that's the 4th. All right, we're gonna turn it on. All right. Got the sugar and the eggs in there. We're gonna beat that until it turns kind of white. And we're gonna add 11 eggs. Add 1 egg at a time. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1 more, 11. Wow. Let's put the carton down there, buddy. We're gonna put the eggs this morning. Oh, that's looking good. Let me get a spatula. This is a delicious old-fashioned cake, like my mom used to make. A half a teaspoon of salt, sea salt, and we need 3.5 cups of flour, right? Yep. It's not a difficult cake to make. Oh, let's get that cup. We left it in here. I'm going to add 1 cup at a time. Add 1 cup at a time. Let's do 1 at a time. Okay, let's mix that. Take the flour and move it down. Okay, this is the 2nd cup of flour. That's right. Make 3.5. So this is the 2nd cup here. Okay, we're gonna let that mix. We got flour in here. Move it around in the pan. Keep the pound cake this is the third cup, right? Third cup. Jackie, you say something? Okay, that's the third cup. Okay. And this is the half cup, right? Is the half cup. Edinburgh. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of vanilla flavor. I'm just eyeballing it. Okay, it's about 3. It smells delicious already. Okay, there it is. And we got the pan already over here. And I'm turning the oven on 325. And we're going to cook it for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Okay. Yeah. It did. Yeah, I know it makes me drowsy. Mm-hmm. No, we're gonna have breakfast in a little minute. Okay, ready to go in the oven, okay? You can stomp it. You can follow me to the oven with the camera, okay? When it reaches 375, That's when we're gonna start the timer on Alexa, okay? All right, so we can go ahead and cut it. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's done.
Over there, and she's throwing some, and those 2 rose bushes.
Yeah, waiting on Jackie M to come out.
Oh, I thought maybe I was doing some different.
It's really pretty.
Yeah, it is pretty though. I like it.
Yeah.
When y'all come through, I'm gonna have my boys dig that.
You see that? It's still warm though.
I'm looking at this one. She got it right.
She got it right. I don't know if it's gonna come out of here. It's
man.
still warm.
And I want a piece of that.
I'll get a
I'm
small
gonna go like
size.
this here. What do you do when you eat it? You tear it up. So there's so bad.
Like we ate that pie yesterday. I told him we tore that pie up.
So then,
Let me see. I don't know if it's gonna come out yet.
Let me go check on it again.
It is warm. It's still warm.
Yeah, that's a big pan. It'll smell good. Ooh-wee.
Let me see. I usually just flip it over. Boy,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
is too hot. It's still too hot.
Don't tear it up.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to leave it till later.
How long you got, Bill?